Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made one of my daily miniature challenge. This is a Japanese dessert called water drop pudding, also known as Mizu Shingen Mochi. So I hope you like it. So here I'm just using some malt putty. You need to mix equal amounts of it, and I'm also using some dotting tools. You just need to mix that, and after it's mixed, I'm just putting the dotting tool in there, print, so we can use it as a mold. This is going to be the pudding part of the dessert. So after you have your mold, you can make this with liquid clay or also with some glaze, the triple tip glaze. I'm going to show you that here. So here I'm just adding the clay in the mold, and we need to bake this before continuing. I'm also going to be using a small plate, so you need to bake that. So here's another way you can make it. You can also use some triple thick glaze. This one, you can find it anywhere in any craft store. So you do basically the same, and you need to wait like, I don't know, 8 hours until it's fully dried. We do the same. Basically, you can also make it with some clear glue, like it will work fine also, and you need to let it dry. So once they're dry, they're going to look like that. We are going to pop them. As you can see, the glue now looks clear. Of course, it will be some bubbles in there, but you know, you can use them. So here I have a little bit of sand, and I'm just adding a little bit of liquid clay, and I'm going to mix this until it looks like wet sand, because that will be the crumble of our dish. So now we are going to start adding everything together. So here's with the translucent clay. It also has some bubbles. I actually thought it would be clear, but no, it has some bubbles, so I think it's okay. So I'm just adding a little bit of liquid clay to the plate to start assembling the dessert. So the pictures I saw basically is the pudding, that is a jelly, translucent jelly on the center. It has some crumble on the side, and also some like chocolate syrup or something in the other side. So here you have some clay with liquid clay, like chocolate, and I'm going just to add that in there, and then the crumble. So this is how the dish is going to look. At the end, you need to bake this first, and after you just need to add some glaze on the pudding and the syrup, and that will be it. So this was a really interesting dessert that I found because I did the Japanese week where I did a miniature dessert from Japan, and this one I think it's my favorite one. The taste, I actually don't know how it tastes. They say it's like really simple, doesn't taste much, but I think the looks is just beautiful. So I hope you like this, and if you make it, of course, use the hashtag #AndesACharms wherever you post your picture or video or everything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.